Have you ever dreamed of living right inside an actual work of art? Well, it's not just a home, it's an actual handcrafted experience with real West River views. With actual museum level detail and nearly 8,000 square feet of one-of-a-kind living, again, this home is an absolute work of art. I'm Phil Gertis with the Gertis team, and today I'm bringing you something truly special right here in Shady Side, Maryland. This isn't your average Waterview listing. Designed by a world-renowned artist, this home is bold, it's expressive, and intentionally original. From custom wood carvings to breathtaking West River views, this home is unlike anything else you'll see. Set on over an acre of land, this property offers space, privacy, and creative potential. You've got curated sculptures, quiet corners for coffee or wine, and views that never stop moving. When you're finally through outside and you walk into the main living area, the very first thing you're gonna notice, well, it's the light. And on top of that, the water. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring the outside in, while vaulted ceilings, original artwork, and custom woodwork ground the space with warmth and scale. One thing I absolutely love about this space is that in this dining room, you're not actually just hosting a dinner, you're truly curating experiences. This banquet-sized dining room has hosted gatherings, gallery showings, and moments meant to be remembered. The kitchen combines form and function, custom cabinetry, modern appliances, and carved detailing that ties the space back to the artist's original vision. The home features 5 spacious bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, each uniquely designed with custom finishes, rich textures, and peaceful views. Whether you're creating, relaxing, or retreating, this home gives you space to do it all. See, the seller of this home is far more than just an artist. He's actually one of the world's most premier sculptors. His work lives in cathedrals, national landmarks, and now every corner of this home. From hand-carved doors to built-in installations, nothing here is random. Every piece was created with purpose. This isn't staged. It's not curated for showings. This is lived-in artistry, authentic and personal. Architecturally iconic, artist design, surrounded by water, and wrapped in story. This is 6561 Shady Side Road. It's not just a property, it's a statement. A place to live boldly, creatively, and fully.